Hey guys, so today I'm showing you how to make my yummy and very easy to make crispy fried chicken wing recipe. So good, perfectly seasoned. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm frying up some chicken wings today. These are the seasonings I'm using: some black pepper, salt, slap your mama, Cajun seasoning, use your favorite brand of Cajun seasoning here, onion powder, ground cumin, garlic powder. I'm also going to use some Italian seasoning, paprika. Alright, so use those seasonings and season the chicken wings really well all over. I'm gonna leave the measurements and ingredients I'm using in the description box down below for you guys, as always. After you season the chicken, you can let it marinate, cover it, and place it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. And then we're gonna get ready to fry up our chicken. Alright guys, so now I got a Ziploc bag. You can use a Ziploc bag or you can use a bowl, whatever you prefer. You need something to shake the chicken really well in. So I'm using a large Ziploc bag and adding a little bit of cornstarch in with the flour, just a little bit of cornstarch. I'm placing my flour in there. Next, I'm going to add some seasonings to the flour as well. So for the flour, since I added salt in the chicken itself, I'm not really gonna add salt in the flour, okay? So I'm only gonna add some garlic powder, a little bit of slap your mama Cajun seasoning. I'm not adding too much of the Cajun seasoning because it do have salt, okay? I'm also gonna add some Italian seasoning, ground cumin, paprika, onion powder, okay, but no salt. Oh, and black pepper in the flour. So you do want to season your flour mixture really well to give the chicken flavor and make it taste delicious, okay? So add those seasonings, and then I'm going to close the Ziploc bag and give it a good shake to mix the seasonings into the flour. Okay, so next I'm taking 2 eggs and I'm going to take my chicken wings that's perfectly seasoned, and I'm going to crack the eggs right into the bowl with the chicken wings. Then I'm going to give it a good mix. You want to mix the eggs into the chicken wings really well. If you want, you can beat the eggs first before you add it in with the chicken. Alright, okay, so next I'm mixing some hot sauce into my chicken wings. I'm using Frank's red hot sauce, and that's going to add delicious flavor to the chicken as well. Alright, so add in a good amount of hot sauce and mix it in really well. So next, what you want to do is take the chicken wings and you're going to place it in the Ziploc bag with the flour. You could add a good few pieces at a time, maybe about 5 or 6, as much as it can hold, but don't overdo it. And close the bag and give it a good shake until the chicken wings is fully coated in the flour. It should be nicely dredged with that flour. Alright, now we're gonna start getting our frying pan ready to fry it up. So once you shake it, you're gonna shake off the extra flour off of it and set it aside until we're ready to fry. So I'm getting my frying pan and I have it over medium-high heat. I'm gonna place some oil in here. I'm using canola oil. You can use canola oil or vegetable oil. Alright, add a good amount. The oil should be at least halfway up to the chicken wings to fry it really well. Once the oil gets nice and hot, you guys are going to take your chicken wings out of the bag with the flour, shake off the extra flour, and you're going to place it into the frying pan and fry them up until they're nice and golden brown. So I fry it for about 6 to 7 minutes on each side until it was crispy, golden brown, and fully cooked, okay? Once it turns nice and golden brown on that first side, you flip it to the other side and finish cooking it. And once they're fully cooked, I place it on a plate lined with paper towels so you can soak up the extra oil. And that is it, you guys. Crispy, perfectly seasoned fried chicken wings. And you can use this recipe to fry any part of the chicken: drumsticks, breast, whatever you prefer and choose. Alright,